Hello everyone, this is a pick a card reading. So we have three piles here, and this reading is, I should say, sort of whosoever needs it, whosoever it may help, whosoever it may resonate with. So there may be a guidance for anyone. Okay, so it is sort of a general reading, I should say, which may help any one of you of any zodiac sign. Okay, so there are three piles, pile number 1, 2 and 3. There are three cards in each, so whichever pile you choose, you just need to first focus and use your intuition as to which pile may have messages from you. Okay, which pile has messages for you, you just have to pick that up. You can pause the video if you are not able to sort of focus immediately, or if you feel there are two piles which are jumping out to you and may resonate with you, you can use two. And if you are not able to decide, you may even pick all the three and listen to the entire thing if there is and then you can just see which one is resonating with you. If you don't, if because everyone is not very good at this thing of picking the cards, you can see that also, and maybe there are mixed messages for you from all the three piles. Okay, so pile number 1. Let's see what's there for pile number 1. We have the Judgment, the Nine of Swords, and the Six of Wands. So for those of you who have picked up pile number 1, what I am getting here is that there is something which is really bothering you. You are very, very anxious about something, and which you need to take a decision on. Now this is not only about a relationship, it can be anything in your life which is bothering you, which calls for a decision, which needs a decision. You are not, maybe that need of taking a decision is bothering you. It can be that also, because every time you are not in a position to take a decision and you have to because of circumstances. It can be that also. Okay, so maybe it is something which has suddenly come up to you that now you have to decide, or maybe the decision itself is so tough that you are not able, that is causing an anxiety, or whatever the source of anxiety is, you want to remove it, and that is why you are making a decision. You need to make a decision. So whatever it is, it can be anything, but there is something which is bothering you and you need to take a decision. But the beauty of the thing is, with the Six of Wands, you are taking the right decision. You are happy about it. You are feeling pretty confident, pretty good, and happy, celebrating yourself and feeling very happy about it. So you are, outcome is good. That's what I should say. The outcome is good. Okay, so that was for pile number 1. For pile number 2, those of you who have picked up pile number 2, chosen pile number 2, we have the Eight of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Five of Wands. So what I feel here is that you've been working very, very hard in your life over something, but you've completed that. There was a trouble or a struggle in completing it. It involved some struggle obviously, but now you are ready to make a move. You have sort of completed your school, or completed your college, or completed your completed whatever preparation was needed. If suppose you wanted to start a business, suppose this is just an example, and you have now built up that finances, build up those resources, whatever you needed, or now you know that now, okay, now I'm ready. The thing is that now you are ready. That is the main thing. You have worked, the background work is done. That's what I'm getting. It involved a lot of struggle, perhaps. At least there was some struggle, maybe some sort of disagreement with others also, or some conflict, whatever it was. But the thing which I'm getting here is mainly is that you have done the work which was required to make this major journey of your life, that you are well equipped to move in a new direction basically. Now this can be, this is something new basically. That's what I'm getting here. It is something new which you want to launch, and you have done that background work day and night sort of, and now you know that you have that confidence that now you can launch it. The only thing is, perhaps you're waiting for the right time to launch, or maybe you have two options as to I should do it this way or that way. It can be just a matter of time that you need to take that decision as to this way or that way, or how should I do it. But you know you are well equipped in this new journey of life, and you've done that background work. Okay, are you ready to make a move now? For those who have chosen pile number 3, we have the Hermit, the Nine of Cups, and the Six of Swords. Wow. So for those of you who have chosen pile number 3 with the Six of Swords and the Hermit and the Nine of Cups, you are you are your intuition says that you need to walk away from a situation which involves any tension, any turmoil, whatever it is. You are choosing happiness basically. You are not in turmoil anymore. You are moving towards peace. You are moving towards happiness, contentment, your wish fulfillment. It is all about transition basically in your life towards wish fulfillment, and that is what your intuition says is the right thing for you to do, and that is what you are doing. Your inner wisdom says either you're basically, it's all about choosing your happiness. You're walking away from anything which makes you tense, which makes there is a conflict about, or whatever it is which causes you unhappiness. You're moving away from this, and that is what your wisdom says, and that is giving you a lot of happiness with the Nine of Cups. So I just hope there are messages for each and every one of you, at least some messages there. And so let's meet in the next video. Bye.